Most people think backyard gardening is just a hobby. But with fresh produce prices consistently outpacing general inflation, your backyard is an economic asset. If you walk into a grocery store today, you are paying for corporate markups, packaging, and fuel costs passed directly to your receipt. You can opt out. You can force a single square meter of dirt to yield over $100 in pure grocery savings. But to do it, you have to stop thinking like a hobbyist and start thinking like an economist. If you plant potatoes, carrots, or onions, you have already lost. The market supply for root vegetables is massive, keeping supermarket prices low. A square meter of potatoes yields about 5 kilograms of food, saving you a pathetic $10 after you factor in $20 for premium soil, fertilizer, and water. That is a net loss. We aren't looking for bulk weight, we are looking for high-margin assets. Look at the produce aisle. The highest margins are hidden in plain sight. Take organic cherry tomatoes. A standard 300-gram pint averages around $4.50. That means the supermarket is pricing them at $15 per kilogram. By training just 2 high-yielding cherry tomato vines vertically up a single stake within 1 square meter, you can harvest 8 kilograms of fruit over a single summer. 8 kilograms multiplied by that $15 retail price gives you $120 in gross value. Now, let's be aggressive with the setup costs. Factoring in $25 for premium organic soil, heavy fertilizer, sturdy stakes, and water inputs, that single square meter still puts a clean net savings of $95 back into your pocket. You smash the $100 goal by adding just a single companion herb plant to that same soil. Now look at the salad aisle. A 150-gram tub of pre-washed organic spring mix sits at $4. You are paying nearly $27 a kilogram for mostly water and plastic packaging. If you take that same square meter and implement a high-turnover salad bar strategy using the cut and come again method, you can achieve 4 rapid crop rotations a year. This square meter will yield 4.8 kilograms of gourmet greens annually. At market price, that is $128 of value. Even if you budget a high $35 for multiple seed rounds, specialized organic nitrogen fertilizer, and consistent watering, your net savings sits firmly at $93. Finally, consider the ultimate margin killers: fresh culinary herbs. Supermarkets hide the true cost of basil, rosemary, and thyme by selling them in tiny 20-gram plastic clamshells for $3. Do the math. You are paying an outrageous $150 per kilogram. A single square meter dedicated to herbs will easily yield 2.5 kilograms of fresh cuts a year. Even if you spend a heavy $30 upfront on premium organic soil and drainage, the retail value of that yield is $375. Your net savings is a massive $345 of pure profit.